like you. Be strong to hold the powers of the
Greetings, friends. Today I want to tell you how to install Binance Trading Bot for free. To get started, you will need to download the archive with the bot. You can find the archive in the video description. After downloading, you need to unzip the archive. The password from the archive is 0505. After that, you have to run the exe file and launch the bot. To start, press the Start button. That's it, friends. Now you know how to install Binance Trading Bot for free and start earning on cryptocurrency trading. I wish you successful deals and high profits.